Jetties, long, narrow structures that expand from a landmass into the water, are often constructed to protect coastlines from erosion. Jetties can sometimes have the opposite. Obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can lead to increased erosion in some areas.
So in number 26, we are talking about jetties, which are long, narrow structures that extend from a landmass into the water. And then you see a dash. They are often constructed to protect coastlines from erosion. They are constructed to prevent or protect coastlines from erosion. But jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect. That means they are not going to protect the coastline from erosion. That will be the opposite effect. So which should we choose? So A is the best answer. The convention being tested is the use of punctuation within a sentence. This choice correctly uses a comma to separate the supplementary adverb though. So we have to separate effect and though. Though is the adverb, though is the supplementary adverb, and we need the comma between effect and though to separate it. And also, after that, we also have to use a semicolon after though. So, a semicolon to join the next main clause. The next main clause starts from obstructing and all the way up till areas to the rest of the sentence. Further, placing the semicolon after though logically indicates that the information earlier in the sentence that jetties can sometimes cause erosion is contrary to what might be assumed from the information in the previous sentence, that jetties are often constructed for the purpose of protecting coastlines from erosion. They also sometimes obstruct the natural flow of sand along the shore, and that can actually increase erosion in some areas. So that's why we need though, and after though we need the semicolon to show the opposite effect. So I hope that's clear.
Why is choice B incorrect? Choice B is incorrect because it fails to mark the boundary between the two main clauses with appropriate punctuation, with though.areas functioning as a subordinate clause following the comma. This choice illogically indicates that the following information, that obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can sometimes lead to erosion, is contrary to the information earlier in the sentence, that jetties can sometimes cause erosion. Instead, the information following though supports the previous claim about the erosive effects of jetties. Why is choice C incorrect? Choice C is incorrect because it's not conventional to use a semicolon in this way to separate a main clause from a dependent clause. Further, it illogically indicates that the following information, that obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can sometimes lead to erosion, is contrary to the information earlier in the sentence, that jetties can sometimes cause erosion. Instead, the information following though supports the previous claim about the erosive effects of jetties. Why is choice D incorrect? Choice D is incorrect because it results in a comma splice. Commas can't be used in this way to set off a supplementary word or phrase between two main clauses.